So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see all the satellites orbiting around the earth right now with their exact locations. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for Starlink.space. You can see the right URL over there. If I pronounce it wrong, just simply go to this website and wait for it to respond. And once it get open, it says downloading resources. And here you can see the number of satellites that are currently orbiting around the. You can even check the name and all the details about this. Like this is Cosmos 1622, and this is SL8DEB, and the multiple satellites that are orbiting around the Earth. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.